Hello everyone, this is Naved, and today in this episode I will be discussing about how to make your Android device faster. So guys, before getting started, I would like to give you up a small tip, that is only install those apps in your device which seems to be necessary to you and you need it in your day-to-day life. Installing unnecessary apps consumes more RAM and of course your battery too. So to make your device run faster and smoother, you can download these 6 basic apps which I have brought up today, which are very light and maybe fulfilling all your basic needs. So let's get started. So in number one, we are having the Facebook Lite app. As you guys already know that Facebook has become an integral part of everybody's life. So to hold up all your post feeds and uploads, there is a Lite app for you, and the app name is Facebook Lite app. So let's see the app. Well guys, I have just opened the Facebook Lite app, and as you can see, it's quite similar to the app which is available in the Play Store, which is a bit heavy to your device, or you may say that this app is generally the lightest version of the Facebook app. So the interface is also very good. The feeds are currently I'm in the feeds option. Then you can see the friend request option, then the messages over here, and then the notification bar over here, and here the search option where you can search all your friends or colleagues. And the rightmost top option is where all the things are here. Here is the chat option, pages option, photos, friends, as all you can need. So if you want to chat with your friends, just tap on the chat option and all the friends will be showing you up right over here. So if you think that some of your friends are missing over here, then type anyone's name and it will be showing you up right over here. So guys, isn't it cool? So please download this app and enjoy all your feeds. So if you want to refresh, just slide the button downward and the refresh option will be coming, and all your feeds will be get refreshed within few seconds. See, the all the feeds have just been refreshed. So guys, please download this app for good experience and free up all your RAM. In the second, we are having the UC browser mini smooth browser. Actually, this is a browser come video player. As you can see guys, this is actually a browser where you can browse all your things. I've just opened the app, and here you can browse I'm sorry, you can browse all your things. And yes, it is very good browser and which is light on your device too. You can use it also. Just a second guys, you can, yes, this is the home page of the browser, and you can also use it as a video player. So let's just see it. Just go to the file manager, and I will be opening up a video just to show you that it is also a good video player as well. So let's tap on the videos. And I'm just playing a talking tom as I like the episode very much. Yes guys, when you will tap on the video, you will getting a player option. Yes, as you can see, the red color player option, you will just have to tap on this. Okay, just a second, you will just have to tap on this and tap on just once, and the video will be playing up in just a few seconds. So as you can see guys, this video has already started to play. When you will tap on the right option and slide it upward, the volume will be upward, and if you slide it downward, the volume will be a bit less. If you at the left option, when you will be tapping upward, the brightness will be increased, and when you will tapping it downwards, the brightness will be decreased. So guys, isn't it cool? You know, didn't have to download any other video player as well, like as I have kept here the MX player. In number 3, we are having Clean Master Lite app. As in my previous video, I have made a video that the best antivirus for your device. But guys, as I have came today for freeing up your RAM and make your device faster, so I have got a app named Clean Master Lite app, which is quite good guys, and which is bit friendly upon the RAM also. So just check it out. I have opened the app right now. As you can see guys, the various options are coming over here. It's the antivirus, phone boost, and the battery saver. Guys, it's a all-in-one app, I must say. That as you can tap on the antivirus, you can secure all your device and check for the threats. Let's just stop that one and back it up. and you can also phone boost. Tap on the phone boost option, and yes, you have to give a permission, then tap on next. Yes, you have to click on the accessibility on for this device also. So you have just to tap on that, got it, and you have to go to CM Lite, tap on the on option, and yes, it's done. So you will see there is it's showing me boost 316 MB of RAM. So let's just stop this, I won't go here again. So another one is the battery saver apps, the apps which are unnecessarily draining your battery and causing threats to your phone. It will be analyzing those apps and will be giving you its best performance. So it's analyzing my apps right now, and yes, the 6 apps which are draining my battery, and you can save up to 1 hour and 1 minute on your battery. So let's just back it up, and the scan, which is the basic option, you can scan your device and see all the junk files will be coming up over here. So guys, after a complete analysis, it has came to a option that clean junk 23.1 MB. So guys, it is showing me actually 192 MB of junk files, but it may be the other important files, so I'm not taking the risk. So I will just clean junk 23.1 MB. So guys, this is the basic things which are just you will be getting in the Clean Master Lite app, and trust me, it's really friendly on your RAM. So please do just install that. So another one is the YouTube Go app, which is currently unreleased, but still you can download it. I will be leaving that download option in the link in the description. So please do go and just check it out. So guys, let's just open this YouTube Go app. Yes guys, I've just opened the app, and the first option it will be coming is tap on the English. Then guys, then it will be asking you about your email and phone number. I have just skipped that process. You can go and verify your email ID and phone number over there, and the next will be coming to this page. So guys, the basic or I must say that the main thing of this YouTube Go app is that you can save video and down as you can see there, you can remove video and video information. Let's just play any one of the video. Yes, I'm just playing this Kapil Sharma video. So yes, it will be saying me that you can download it in standard quality or basic quality. Guys, this is really a very good option. You can download in basic quality and save up your data. So isn't it good guys? And I must say that this app also consumes very less memory, or you may say that less RAM. So please do just go and download this app. It's a really nice app, and you can play instantly also, and you can save the file according to your need. It is a very data friendly app, I must say that. It's not like that the YouTube normal YouTube, it really consumes a huge data. So you must go and check this out. The next app is the WPS Office plus PDF converter. Actually guys, this is a office app which will be serving you as all the necessary things regarding your Excel spreadsheet and office document, or even you can read PDF files, or you can create PDF files with this WPS Office app. So let's just check it out. So guys, I will be opening this app right now, and yes, it has opened. And just a second. Yes guys, this is the interface where you will be all your things. You have to just tap on the doc, PPT, XLS, TXT, PDF. Actually you can create or you can read the files which are listed above here. So you can select your files from the phone. You can select the files either from the SD card or either from the Dropbox. So what I will be suggesting you that you can create or upload anything you will be requiring for the use in your desktop, or you may say that laptop. But if you are having this WPS Office app, you can create anything without any hesitation. Like if you tap on the dock option, you will be getting all the docs which are currently available in my device. Yes, the same goes for the PPT as well, XLS as well, PDF as well, and TXT as well. So guys, do just install this app right now, and enjoy all your PDF files and document files in just a click. So let's just check our next app. Last but not the least, we have the our main hero of the all the app is the WhatsApp app. So I don't think that I have to say anything regarding this, because it's already a very good app, or you may say that it's very popular among us. So guys, I must say that it is a very good platform to utilize all your documents, your details, etc, etc. And you must download WhatsApp, and it's really RAM friendly. As just a second, I will be opening the app manager, and I will be showing you how much RAM it's consuming. So let's just check it out. Well guys, WhatsApp is actually consuming 42 MB of RAM, which is very good, and it's not that heavy app as compared to other apps. And 42 MB is just something you can just provide to your phone, and it won't harm your device or may slow down your process as well. So guys, you can download WhatsApp also, it not having issues that much regarding that. So after installing this basic apps, one more thing I will be saying you, that when you are when you have bought your phone, you just tap on the about phone option and tap on build number. So this is the build number. As you can see, it's showing me you are I am already a developer. You have to just click build number 5 to 6 times, and then back it up, and you will be getting a option like this developer option. Just tap on this option, and you will be getting various information regarding your devices. So information you have to just see. I'm just having a look at that. Yes, this Windows animation scale, you will just have to open this app. I'm sorry, you have to just open this option and tap on 0.5x. This will increase your animation scale a bit. Then I must say that a transition animation scale, it's also a sort of animation. You have to make this 0.5x, and the same goes for the animation duration scale 0.5x. If you keep all these three, Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, animation duration scale to 0.5x, your animation will be a bit faster, and you will really feel that the device is going a bit faster than before. Then another option is there for GPU rendering. You have to just tap it up. Then it will be a bit helpful to your gaming options as well. And no such options are there right now, guys. If I will get, I will do just upload a video regarding that next time. So just guys, till then, stay tuned for that. So guys, if you like our video, please tap the like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting updates, and don't forget to comment down below all your valuable comments. So till then guys, have a good day, and please be happy.